Hi, in this example, I'm going to explain a formula in Excel called as average if and average if s. First, we'll see what does this average if is actually. Average if is nothing but it is for calculating the average, but for single criteria. Like as you can see my data, I've got some cost centers, gender, employee name and sales. I want to find out ki 7812 ka cost center, how much is the average sale. So here we are checking for single criteria. So that time I'll be using this formula in Excel called as average if. So let us see how you use this formula now. Average if bracket open. Then you will select because you're checking from this number, right? 7812. That is over here. A4 till down. That is at 823, comma. Then you will select your condition, your criteria. That is F6 because this number you're checking F6, comma, and what do you want? Sales. So sales is over here. Control shift down. That is D4 till D23, and then you close the bracket. So once you do this much, average if you have to say A4 till A23, that is your cost center. F6 is your what you're checking with, and what you want? Sales. D4 till D23. After you close the brackets, you say enter. So this is the total sales, actually not total, average sales of this number 7812. So if you type some other number, if I type here 7515, okay. If you type a number which is not there, it will give you like this PIV. That means this number is not there in that list of mine. So that is how you can use this option, average if. Again, one more example is there where they've asked you to check out with gender male what is the average sale. So again, single criteria. Again, I'll be using average if only. Bracket open. Then you select from your gender because it is checking from your gender. B4 till B23, comma. And what is the condition criteria? That is this gender F11, comma, and your sales value. That is from D4 till D23. Then close the brackets. So this is how you use it and enter. So this is telling me that gender male average sales is so much. If we change it to female, it will tell you. So that is how we can use this option. Average if it is single criteria. But if you have multiple conditions, like how you can see my second example here, where they have given you some number here, like this cost center is 7812, gender is male, they want to find out the average sales. Two conditions, multiple conditions. So that time I have to use this option of yours called as average if s. Not average if will not come here. Average if s. Multiple. More than one condition means you have to use average if s. Only single means you can use average if. That is the difference actually between average if and average if s. So now I will use this formula average if s bracket open. What basically we want to find out the sales, right? Average sales it is actually. Okay. So you'll select the sales value, that is this, from D4 till D23, comma. Then we want the cost center. Your cost center is from here. A4 till A23, comma. F16, that is this number you're checking with. This number has to be there in this list of your cost centers. That's why F16. Then give a comma. Then you have to check your gender, that is male, that is this part. So it will check from here, comma, and what you are checking with gender male, that is G60, and then close the bracket. So this is how you use this formula in Excel called as average if s. If you have multiple conditions. So what we have done is average if s, D4 till D23, that is your sales. Then we have taken your cost center, that is A4 till A23, comma. Then I've clicked on F16, that is my cost center number F812 we are checking with, comma. Then we have taken your gender, that is B4 till B23, comma. What are you checking? Male, gender male, that is G60. Close the brackets, enter. So that should give me the answer. Instead of this, you want to change 75155 type male. It is showing me. This is the average sales. Instead of male, if I type your female, so it will show you that also. So this is how you can check it out. So this is if you want to find out whether I'm doing is this amount is right or wrong, you can just click your cell pointer here, data and filter. If I use filter option, now this number, right? So this number, if you click here 7515, okay, and gender was male, right? So if I click here male, so these are your two options. Sales. If you select this option, so this is the amount, right? So yeah, 751 male is so much. Oh, sorry, actually, it's not to be seen here. If I just select all, okay. This also if I say select all, okay. Yeah, right. 19128, right? Okay, that is for female actually. Sorry, not for male. Okay, and that is what 19128. Okay, if I take this and find and gender may it should be female. So 19128, right? See. So this is how we can check it. If you want to check it whether it's right, so you can just do this option of yours called as filter option. So you can check it also. So I hope you understood the difference between average if and average if s. So keep on practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.